we intend to launch a campaign which will raise awareness of this issue of safe housing in Nigeria and using the Durumi 3 experience to show current impact of government policies when it does not follow the due diligence and what is expected under international law. We hope that these measures will put this issue on the top burner for the authorities, but more importantly, to give recourse to the community members and their families so that they can once and for all have a long-lasting solution to this issue. It is disheartening that several years after several administrations have already reassured them of the security of tenure that they have, that they continue to face threats from those who seek to develop lands that are not theirs but actually for private development.
We're not allowed to air out our phones were being smashed because we were trying to cover and to snap pictures to send on social media. Maybe people can come to our help, but the security personnel did not allow us. They smashed our phone. Our youth were being humiliated. They were being beaten.
According to international human rights law, eviction may only be carried out as a last resort once all other feasible alternatives to eviction have been explored and appropriate procedural safeguards have been put in place. Such procedural safeguards, including provision of adequate notice, opportunities for genuine consultations, and access to legal remedial. Government must also ensure that no one is rendered homeless or vulnerable to the violation of other human rights as a result of eviction. In cases where eviction may be justified, forced eviction constitutes gross violation of a range of international indigenous people. Forced eviction also exposes people to other human rights violations, including the right to food, water, health, education, water, and freedom from cruel, inhuman, and degrading.
Durumi community will be living in fear. In fact, since the day that these people come to mark this place, we have not sleeping with our two eyes closed because we've been thinking. We don't know what is going to happen. If you talk of the law, they say that they are lawless. No, they don't obey law. The very day that they came to this community, I think we lost so many things here. So many things, even including the human, the human lives. There are two of our community members that were in the hospital. We know how we battle with them in the hospital, Garki hospital there. They were telling us that they want to remove the black spots. The black spot now turned to be an individual want to remove his plot. So we begin to wonder, where are we going? Are we not Nigerians? We don't have anywhere to go. We don't have any other house. Okay, if they are coming to take up their land, our land, let them resettle us. Let them do appropriate thing that is supposed to be on the place, but up to today. And that is the question we've been asking.
We don't have marketplaces. We don't have good health facilities in Durumi 3. If our children are sick or we are sick, we have to go to the community health care at Durumi 2, which is a bit far from here. We don't have good schools for our children to attend. The only school available here is primary school, which is not even in a good state. The houses we are living in, we are just managing with our family. And then the government wants to come and take the little that our parents left for us. We don't really understand what is happening.